How's it guys? I am sitting behind the steering wheel of a new exciting Ford Mustang, and I've got about 50 seconds to show you the new feature that's been added to it. It's called exhaust mode. So let's go for it. So start it up here. You'll also notice the new cluster. Right, so what you do is you scroll down to your exhaust mode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the quiet mode just for you to hear the difference. This is perfect when you're in a neighborhood. And then I'm quickly going to go to your sport mode. Now listen to this. Yes, that's what we're talking about.